Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Pixel 6a, but before I get into this review, check this out. Alright everyone, so I'm back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm going to review this Caseology Athlex case for the Pixel 6a. Like we normally do in our videos, we're gonna make sure everything lines up. How does it fit? Do you get camera protection? Does it add bulk to your phone? I would check wireless charging. We know the 6a does not have wireless charging, so we can't check that. You can get this case from Amazon. I'll have the links in the description if you want to pick it up. It comes in 3 different colors. It comes in orange, black, and then I have the black and gray one, so we'll definitely get into it. Nice packaging from Caseology. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely pause it and read it. But here's the case itself. Let's see. Nice packaging. Like the little pull tab here. Can't get into it, man. So this is definitely a nice case. So you have a little Caseology booklet here. Welcome to the club. Then I also have some stuff here. But look at the inside. That is pretty cool. And then I like how it has this extra grip. I don't know if that camera will pull it off or not, but it has this extra grip on there. Then you have a little brand in there. Man, I like this case. The power button and the vine rockers. Let's see how this thing fits. If I turn the phone the right way. Nice and snug. Now, that screen is bright again. Do you get lip protection? Yes, you do. As you can tell there. Look at the camera cutout. I like that black and gray. But the most thing is that it has that extra grip, even on the sides. The power button works great. The vine rockers are easy to press. Not bad. The holes at the bottom, everything lines up good. The microphone up there. Like I said, you get that camera protection too, but just the overall feel of the case. It should be screen protector friendly too. It doesn't add much bulk to your phone either. It's like almost not a thin fit case, but it feels really good in the hands because of that grip too, man. I can't talk enough about the grip. What y'all think about that? I like that gray. Now, shout out to Android Stud. He has the orange one, which is pretty good too. The last thing we want to make sure is how does it fit. Top and bottom looks good. The sides feel pretty good too, except for around the power button and the vine rocker. It's a little loose, but it comes back good. But if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. Like I said, you can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 6a. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Nice looking case. Later, y'all.